YouTube, what it do? Is your boy Trey 2-time, and I'm back again with another video for y'all today, man. Today I'm feeling 90s slow jam R&B. Been getting requested that a lot, so we'll see what we can come up with, man. If you're new to the channel, if you haven't already, subscribe to your boy, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you stay updated when I drop any new beat videos, any new beat content. We'll roll to the beat 5K, so y'all help your boy out with that. Anyway, that's enough talking, man. Y'all know what time it is. Let's get into it, man. Let's do it. All right, y'all already know what's going on, man. We got a fresh FL Studio project pulled up, man. For today's tempo, I'm feeling about 110, man. Good, nice, slow tempo, man. Get that groove going. So let's see what we can come up with. All right, y'all. So for our first sound, man, I'm gonna go with this Celtic harp. I use them harps a lot in them 90s instrumentals, man. Especially those brandy type instrumentals, man. I was thinking about the boys' mind, so I'm gonna kind of slow that tempo down and kind of play something like that. See what we can do. All right, I'm kind of feeling something like that, man. I think I'm gonna take this A natural down to G. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and copy all that over, y'all, and I'm gonna change the last part to kind of be something slightly different. All right, that's pretty much how I want the harp, man. I'm gonna send it over to the mixer. Keep a little low end in it. Get rid of some of these harsh frequencies. Right up in there. Next, I'm gonna do a little slight compression on it. All right, there. Let's find us another sound. All right, y'all, we got our next sound up. We're gonna use the phase stage electric piano out as analogy. First chords we got, we're gonna go with E natural, A, and C natural. So I'm gonna kind of drag them out. And then we're gonna start switching it up around here. Something like this. Bring that C natural down to B natural. And bring the A down to G natural too. Yeah, y'all starting to hear it. May add some lows in here. Oh yeah. We go back up to that G. Yeah. Yeah. Go back to a G right here. Start off with a little EQ, of course. I think that's all I need, y'all, to be honest. Now, we don't want it to be too loud, kind of bring it down a little bit. I might put a slight amount of reverb on that harp, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna use the chorus space, put it on 80s, bring the low cut down, high cut. Low cut up, high cut down, bring the mix down a little bit. Yeah, y'all hear it. Let's go ahead and find us some more sounds, man. All right, y'all. So the next sound we got is ambient done pad, atmosphere pad out of Omnisphere. Sound like that. So really what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm just gonna copy them electric piano chords and put it in the pad, man. And kind of see how that sound, play around with it. I'm not gonna lie, I think that sounds really good as is. I'm going to send it to the mixer and probably just bring that down so it don't be too loud. Yeah, we're gonna go in with that EQ. Oh my gosh, y'all hear that sound, bro? Hey, I swear to, hey. Check out some of the high end so it don't be too airy. I like how raw it sounds though. I don't really want to put no compression on it. And I'll probably turn the EP a little to the left and the pad a little to the right. Oh my gosh, this is starting to sound amazing, y'all. Let's go ahead and find us a couple more sounds. I know I want to get into a decent synth type bass, and then the drums will definitely set it off. Let's find some more sounds, y'all. All right, y'all, we got our next sound up, man. I'm using the Gentleman piano out of Contact. Like I told y'all in previous videos before, if y'all use a piano, man, probably 85% of the chance it's going to be the Gentleman, man. Great sounding upright type piano. So I'm just gonna kind of play some in. Luckily this key is pretty much all natural, all the white keys. So I'm just gonna kind of just play some freestyle and see what we can do. I really just kind of played around. I know I ain't really land on all the right changes, but let's just see, man. I'm gonna change around some of these notes. Let's quantize some of this. Some of these ones we definitely know they need to be in the right spot. I think I want to da 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 right here. Yeah, y'all hear it. Kind of bring some of these first velocities up a little bit, bring this one down a little bit. There we go. I don't want nothing playing too soft, but I want it to be real beautiful and melodic like. So yeah, let's play from the top. Hey, oh my, ooh, Jesus Christ. Let's go ahead and put that to the mixer, man. I think that's really good. We're probably gonna start off with EQ, of course, as always. Y'all know how that go. Mainly high end on this piano. Man, y'all hear it. Let's go in with the compressor. We don't want to do too much compression on it though. I want to make sure it's hitting a little bit. About right there is cool actually. I think I'm gonna do a little reverb. Just like a baby amount though. I don't want too much though. I'm gonna go back in with that chorus space as well on 80s. Go ahead and bring that low cut, high cut down. Hey man, y'all hear this, bro? We getting real melodic, real musical in here. I low-key kind of want to change the key of everything. But you know what? I'm just gonna stick with it for time purposes. Let's see if we can do maybe a couple more sounds and then we'll get into that bass. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a violin on it. The X violin out of Synology. So let's go ahead and help fill out that rest of that little 90s feel that we're going for. All right, y'all. I got a string pattern laid down, man. This is what I came up with. Now let's see if we can get into that bass. I don't think I need like a sign lead or nothing like that. Let's try to find a good bass, man, good synth bass. All right, y'all, for the bass, man, I'm gonna use this one-on-one bass out of Synology. Decent little synth bass, man. I'm gonna kind of just click some of these notes in. All right, so we got the bass pattern pretty much laid out, y'all. I try to add some variation, man, so it don't stay too constant, but I kind of want that. I really want the bass walking, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, man. When y'all listen to that jagged edge and all that, man, that bass be walking for real. So if you know what I'm talking about, man, if you know, you know. But let's go ahead and try to, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Man, oh, hey, let me turn it up, velocity up. Let's go ahead and send it to the mixer, man. Let's just get straight to it. Quick tip, like I told y'all on all my videos, soft clipper on the master. Make sure you do that. Let's go back to the bass. Actually go up on the bass a little bit here. We definitely want that bass pretty loud, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a compressor on it, and I'll boost the gain on it. And you want the bass right here on these R&B songs. I feel like a good range is gonna be that between that -3 and 0. Man, it's time for the drums. Let's do it. All right, for the kick, I'm gonna use this case kick, man. That sounds pretty good. For a snare, I'm in the 90s R&B essential drum kit too, by the way. Shout out to y'all, man. I remember coming on y'all videos saying I use y'all packs and y'all kits, y'all preset banks a lot, man. But y'all, you know, made note that I actually made that comment. So, man, y'all got some good sounds, man. Y'all keep doing y'all thing. I don't want nothing too reverby. I think, yeah, that Radiant one, man. That's a good one. And for the hi-hat, we're gonna do like basically 1, 2, 3, 4, every 4, every 4 pretty much. I like that affinity. Let's go ahead and put that on every 4. And put this, yeah. Can I go back to the, man, y'all tell me how to go to the, back to the, y'all know what I'm looking for, man. I don't know what this thing doing. Anyway, I'll just click it in. Let's go ahead and go into the kick. I don't want to spend too much time on the drums, y'all, but. That's sexy. That is sexy. You heard me? Yeah, I honestly don't think it need nothing else. I think I want to do a doom type. Oh. Oh, that's, ooh, hey, ooh, my Lord. Even bedroom vibes. Yeah, that's yeah. Let's see if I can do like some little perks, man. Yeah, that's sexy right there. I'm gonna use those too. All right, y'all. So in the process of editing this video, for some reason my OBS, my screen recorder, was not recording the audio from my computer anymore. I don't know. So, but I'm gonna go back, make sure I get this good content, and I'm gonna show y'all the rest that I did to the beat. So I know I left off on that those toms I kind of had on there. I did put those in, show y'all how one of them looked. So I added those toms in there, man, and I actually ended up centering both of those toms because they was kind of going, one was going to the left and one was going to the right. So I ended up centering both of them. Use those knobs right up in there to center them, make sure they playing right down the middle. And here goes actually that high one, sound like this, that part I got. Yeah, I hear the low one too, so the low one actually looks like this. And I turned the velocity all the way up on them too, so. That's pretty much how the tom goes, and I kind of pretty much got that repeating all the way through the that whole 8-bar pattern. So next what I got is I went ahead and added this cowbell. It's a unique cowbell. I'm gonna actually let y'all hear how it sound. So it got like a kind of like a assembly hi-hat on top of it. And you can hear the cowbell underneath it. Yeah, so that pattern I got with that sounds like this. Oh, and the trick that I actually did, y'all, I actually ended up changing the velocity to actually start going down, descending. So it kind of gave like this delay type of effect. So I'm gonna let y'all hear how that sound. Just a nice little background ambience. I'm gonna play it by itself too so y'all can actually hear it. Yeah, so y'all hear that. That's pretty much what I did with that. And then the next thing I added was a crash cymbal. Just to add some of that, you know, those transitions coming out those verses and those hooks and the intro, of course. And the last thing I did was I added this ride cymbal. Yeah. And I'm gonna play it all with context so y'all can hear. Yeah. And and another thing I did was I added this clap. Make sure y'all can see that. I call it the R. Kelly clap. I don't know, man. He used it on a lot of his beats. What a party at? What a party at? I call it that type clap, man. Let y'all hear that part. Really, I'm just let y'all hear the drum part, and then I'll play the whole beat for y'all. So. Yeah, it's giving 90s for sure. So that's pretty much that whole drum groove, man. What I did with the drums. So I'm gonna play the full beat for y'all and let y'all hear, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Took out the harp, took out the piano for the verse. Harp come back in so smooth. Drum break. Real smooth, man. You can't tell me this ain't that 90s slow jam type. Yeah, that's it. That's it for sure. Hey, and there y'all have a nice 90s slow jam beat for y'all today. Let me know which artist from the 90s y'all hear from this beat, man. What group y'all talk to your boy 2Time. Leave a comment, drop a like, of course, all that good stuff. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And of course, if you made it to the end of the video, man, I appreciate your support, appreciate the watch, man. Anyway, that's enough talking. It's your boy 2Time. I'll catch y'all next time.